Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. I'm so excited to bring home to us this tutorial on how to design book cover. For book lovers out there, you would know what exactly a book cover is. A book cover is the first visual impression a reader has of a book, making it a critical element in drawing potential readers. This book cover typically includes the book's titles, the author's name, the relevant images that hint at the story or subject. So basically, this book cover are designed to attract attention, to convey the tone or gene, and give a sense of what to expect in the book. And we all should know that a well designed cover can also serve as a powerful marketing tool, encouraging readers to pick up the book, both in physical stores and even online. So now let me take you to Canva. I'm going to show you how we do it. Go to your Canva app and then go to create a design. There's a specific size in pixel that we use, but Canva has made so many things easy that by the time you create, you type on book cover. That's what we are designing. It pops out the size alongside, which is 1410 by 2250. That's in pixel. So all you have to do is just to click on it. So for Canva, you have so many templates here. At this right corner, you can see business cover, this. And before I even thought about designing a book cover, it means I already have a book on that particular topic or the title that I want to design a book cover on. So for me, the title of the book cover that we're going to design today is Expected Disappointment. Expected disappointment. Yes. So even before I logged on to Canva to start the design, I already know what I want the cover to have. So what I did was that I went to ChatGPT and I typed in, please give me ideas for the book cover titled The Expected Disappointment. So ChatGPT brought different ideas out for me, and I selected just one of the idea, which is the withering rose. And from there, I actually sat down and think about, okay, the withering rose, that was the only one that resonated with the title and even the details of the storybook. So now what I'm doing is I'm just going to go directly, since this is the blank page, then I'm going to go directly to the elements to search for textured background. One thing about book cover is it must convey emotions that would allow viewers or readers to just pick it. Yeah, the moment they see it, they just like want to pick it. So the first thing I'm searching for is a textured background. So for this textured background, go to graphics. Let's go with this because we need something of a darker nature. So that's the first thing we did. Then we'll now look for another one. Let's go with this just to give the background some kind of ruffled texture. Okay, then we'll still have to go with another one. Yes, this is better. We'll go with that one and then resize it. Okay. Go back to the element and search for grunged texture just to add an edge effect. So still go to graphics. Let's go with this one again, which is equally alike. All I'm just doing is I'm just trying to create some kind of edge effect now. Then once I'm done, I'm going to search for another element here, weighted rows. So I'll go to pictures. I need picture this time around. So I'll look for a a rose or petals that is showing as if they are withered. This was the one I recently used. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove the background. So the background has been removed now. Then I'll resize. So I'm going to click on this three dot and align to the center of this. Go to position here, and then for these layers I'll have to bring this one up to the yes, just to bring like an effect, so it won't look as if I just uploaded the petals on it. Then I'll go ahead and reduce the transparency of this one. After it has been added, reduce the transparency to around 22. Go ahead and add our text. So you add the heading, and for this heading, drag it up. We are going to put in the expected here. Change the font to Playfair. So I just use Playfair today, and increase the font size to 118. Okay, it's in 118 already. Then you drag this up a little. Add another heading just to bring it down. Type in disappointment and change the font to Cormorant Garamond. Come to line spacing here and reduce the spacing. Then the letter spacing, reduce it so they will be on the same line. That's perfect. That's at -73. Then this, the expected, you are just going to and change the color. We need another color for this, so we'll go with this color. Yes, likewise this color too for this. Then you now go back to want to add effect, the effect that will make it pop. So click on outline and increase the thickness to 200. Click on outline for this and increase the thickness to 200. We are going to add a text box that will contain the name of the writer, which is going to be Odun Ayo Blessing. Change the font to Laura. Just ensure the font that you're going to use for the front page does not exceed 3. Don't use more than 3 fonts so that it won't be crowded. And don't use too much images. Then we are going to reduce this drastically. Have I changed it to Laura? Okay, it has been changed now. Then I'll reduce it. You change the color to the color that we'll be using too. Okay, so we've changed the color. Then we'll add effect. Go to effect and add shadow effect. So for this shadow effect, make the shadow to be around the offset to be around 78, and the direction to be at 28. Yes. Then the transparency to be at 100. Yes, this is beautiful. We are almost done. We are not done yet. So now the next thing we want to do is we want to convey a message here. So we need the message of, okay, expected disappointment. It means there is a hope attached to this person, like to the story in this book, and the hope was actually like shattered, so the hope, this role symbolizes hope, and we want something that will symbolize the disappointment, which is the shattered. So we need a withered, like falling petals. So that's why we're going to go ahead and use these petals here. Once you click on it, this time around we're going to magic grab each of it. So you go to edit and click on magic grab. So I'm just going to go ahead and magic grab each of these petals till I have enough that I want to use. Grab, you grab individually. If you grab it at once, you won't be able to use it. Like we want it to look like it's raining petals, but yet withered petals. So this has been grabbed out of it already. Then we need another color. So I'm just going to go ahead and magic grab. Continuously do that for like 3 colors of each petals. So I'm just going to resize this and come here, bring this one down and resize too. Like I want it as small as it can be. So I'll go ahead and duplicate. So now I'll just delete this. I already have 2, but I'm going to go ahead and duplicate each of this one. So duplicate, I want it falling. Then this, I want it falling. So I'll duplicate it and bring it to the side, then duplicate this and bring it to this side. So just reduce it to the minimal. Then you can leave some as big as you want. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to select all these petals so that I will reduce the transparency at once. Now I'll go to this transparency up here and reduce the transparency at once. Transparency has been reduced. Then I'll now go back to this grunge texture just to show, like, to give it an effect of a withered this thing, just to make it look like it's not being placed there. So now we are done with this one. You check through everything. If there is anything you need to adjust, just go ahead at this time and adjust it. But this one, this particular test here, just click on align to page and put it at the center. Yes, now we centralize. So, and let's change this color. So I would love us to change the color to this. So we're going to change this color to this. Yes, I think I love using this color than that one. So once the color has been changed, just go ahead and click on download. So you're going to download it as PNG and download it. So it's done downloading. I'm just going to go ahead and open another book cover page. Like I want to create a new design, and then under elements search for mockup. Just search for book cover mockups. Then you just go directly to the mockup itself. We are going to go with this book cover. It has been added. Resize it to fit in the page of the screen. So it has been resized. So what we are doing next is go to upload and upload that image. And click on the image and then drop it in the mockup. So you wait till it's done processing. Voila, this is it. We are done. Then you click on download, and this time around you're just going to download it as a PDF. And if you want another mockup, you can just delete this one and go back to your element and look for a view man holding the book cover. So all you have to do is just resize it. Resize, go back to your upload, click on it, and yes, drop it in the book. If you've watched till here, like if you're still watching right now, you are the best. Thank you for staying tuned till this time around. See what we just did. I zoomed it in, zoomed it out, so you can see. Yay! Thank you so much for watching. I hope, please go ahead and download once you are done and download as PDF standard. You can even sell this design that you just made. Yes, you can generate income from it. You can just be creative. Thank you so much for staying till here. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, drop a comment. Let us know your view on this. Let us know what you've created with your Canva. Thank you so much. We're grateful, and until the next video, we say bye bye.